Spiral flute taps are ideal for closed hole threading. Just like a drill, the chips are directed out along the flutes. Spiral point taps are great for through hole threading as the chips are directed ahead of the tap. Hand taps do not offer consistent chip formation and therefore we don't use them very often. Form taps are the strongest thread type as the material is rolled into place instead of cutting. Here you can see proper chip formation on a spiral point tap. And then you have taps like this, 1.5 inch for Acme. This is the second hardest tap I've ever run. What you're not seeing in this clip is the 6-foot pipe extension that's needed to generate enough force to drive this tap. I mean, the part turned out good, but would I ever use this tap again? No.